The most common reset method for Danby Portable Air Conditioners uses the power cord's built-in circuit leakage detection device. This cord features test and reset buttons that allow you to safely reset the unit. First, ensure the power cord is securely connected to the electrical outlet. Look for the test and reset buttons on the plug head. They're usually clearly labeled and easy to identify. Next, press the test button. You should hear a distinct click sound and the reset button will pop out. This indicates the circuit protection has been activated and is working properly. Now press the reset button until you hear another click. This click indicates the button has engaged and re-energized the power supply to your air conditioner. Check for an indicator light on the plug head to confirm the power supply is energized. Then turn on your air conditioner to verify the reset was successful. If your power cord doesn't have test and reset buttons, or if the first method doesn't work, there are alternative reset methods you can try. Method 2 is simple unplugging. Disconnect the unit from the electrical outlet and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal components to fully discharge and reset. Method 2B involves the circuit breaker. Turn off the circuit breaker that controls the outlet for 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it back on. This completely cuts power to the unit. Some Danby models have an internal reset button located inside the unit, typically behind a protective cover or lock. This method requires accessing the interior of the unit. First, ensure the unit is unplugged for safety. Locate the internal reset button. It's usually behind a small cover or protective panel. You may need to remove a screw or slide a cover to access it. Press and hold the internal reset button for 30 seconds. This performs a factory reset of the unit's microcontroller. After releasing the button, plug the unit back in and test normal operation. Remember that Danby air conditioners are designed with energy efficiency in mind and include features like auto restart after power failures. These reset methods should restore normal operation and clear any error codes your unit may be displaying.